Manhattan Fire Department is currently performing its annual hydrant maintenance throughout the city. This work not only ensures that hydrants are functioning correctly, but also keeps the community safe in case of an emergency. Channel 8 reporter Grant Snowden has more.
Each spring, firefighters begin the process of testing and maintaining fire hydrants across Manhattan, a routine that plays a big role in public safety. Student firefighter Carter Cow says hydrants sit unused most of the year, which can cause problems if not maintained.
Up in there, but over time, if you don't flush those hydrants and you get a bunch of debris in there, it can ruin the pump on your fire truck, and that's an expensive fix.
Assistant Fire Chief Mike Cow says the process is also about gathering accurate water flow data for emergencies.
We want that precise data on how much water each hydrant puts out. It's also good for us to go through and flush those lines so that if there's anything in the line, we can get it out before it hits our fire pumps.
The city began flowing hydrants last week using a returning seasonal employee who is also a Kansas State student.
It kind of depends on where the water department wants us to kind of focus our start and our route. They might be in the northwest part of town, or if there's low water in the tower there, they might go over to the southeast part of town. So it's kind of dependent week to week, sometimes day by day, on where they want us to flow.
Some residents may notice discolored tap water, but Cow says that's normal and an easy fix.
If there's discolored water, it's not the biggest deal. It's probably fine, but if you just run the sinks, let clean water.
Hydrant maintenance will continue through early summer, and residents can stay updated through the city's website or social media. From Manhattan, Grant Snowden, Channel 8 News.
The fire department encourages residents to stay clear of active maintenance zones and to be patient as crews work their way through each neighborhood. You can find a map of the maintenance schedule on the city's website.